Hey everybody, Karen and I are coming back to you with another coaching practice series workshop. This upcoming one is Intentional Pause happening on February 19th at 1 o'clock Eastern Time. Karen, do you want to tell us what we're in for?
Yeah, absolutely. So we talked about this in our other workshops that there's a rhythm to a coaching conversation. And we're bringing the practice of intentional pause into this workshop because it's an integral part of the flow of a coaching conversation. So we'll introduce you to some intentional pause approaches. You'll get a chance to practice. And the goal is that you can walk away with a process, an intentional pause practice that really works for you.
Cool. So if you're interested and want to sign up, there'll be a QR code on screen, or you can send me a direct message or an email, and I'll make sure you get the registration information. All right, hope to see you there. Take care.
Take care.